Okay, so good morning, everyone. So I am Sir Glenmark Villafranca, their PE teacher. I'm making this video for you to understand and for you to have an idea on what to do and submit for your activity sheet. Okay, so I have here on your screen. So this is the module. So it is found sa Google Classroom. Okay, so this is module number 1, so health-related physical fitness. So I think nakita na ninyo nabasahan na sad. So we have here the learning competencies, what are the objectives, and then some activities. Okay, so you have to do is to read and understand. So we have here some of the activities for self-testing activity. By the way, your PE teacher will ask you for the BMI because kinahanglan na siya. Okay, so I think the instructions are here on how to get the BMI for your body mass index. Okay, so your height and your weight, including the waist hip ratio. So we also have here the 3-minute step test, the zipper test, okay, the curl up, and we have also the 90-degree push up. Okay, so we have here some of the measuring fitness level, and one way to find out your level as mo na belong if na for example, for the BMI, makita ninyo diri if the result is lower than 18.5, so it means you're underweight. For the normal is 18.5 to 24.9. And if you belong to 25 to 29.9, so overweight na ta. And then if more than 30, that's the time you're obese. So it means that you have to do something about it for you to have a normal weight for your BMI. So we also have here for the curl up and for male and for female, including the push up. So if you can do 35, so it means you have a high performance zone. For the women, 29. And then for the curl up, if you make 25, so if you can only make below 14, so you have a very low zone. So it means you have to do something about it para mabuhat ninyo ang 35 or more than 35 for the male and then 29 for women. We also have here um, endurance. Okay, so part na siya. And of course, the flexibility for the zipper test. So we have here, so right and the left, so high performance. Okay, so and then we have here the health-related components. Okay, I think this is just a review because I know you've been discussing this one since junior high school. So we're na siya review. Okay, so at least maka-recall ta sa mga gipang discussed during high school. So we also have here barriers to physical activities. We have personal barriers, we have environmental, and of course, we have here some questions for you to answer. Okay, so mods, yeah. Okay, now the next that I'm going to share is the activity sheet. Okay, so we have here. So I think this is also found in your Google Classroom. So I've already sent the soft copy. I mean the soft copy sa GCN sa FB page. Okay, so all you have to do is to write your name, the section, and then the teacher and the date. Okay, so we have here the objectives. Now, if you look at here, for activity number 1, you're going to perform the 3-minute step test. So it says here insert a picture. So it means kinahanglan mabutang mo pictures nga nag-perform mo. Now, how to do it? Okay, so you have to delete this one, then insert. So for example, picture, then picture that you're performing. For example, one imong 3-minute step test. So i-insert na siya. So make sure it's clear and make sure that you're performing it properly. Then you have to write the score uh, before and after. Okay, so and then we have sunod kaning insert a picture performing yourself for the zipper test. So same gyapon, go to insert picture, asan nyo na save to siya. Okay, so we have here the zipper test. Okay, so i-insert na siya. Ana ra. Okay, so at least makita sa inyo mga teachers nga you performed the physical fitness test. Then you have to write the score, bilang sa left o sa right. Then we have here, the next you have to insert a picture for the dynamic. So again, insert picture nga asan nyo na save. Okay, so kani siya. So by the way, for the information of everybody, when you perform physical fitness test, you have to see to it na naka-jogging pants ta or nag-shorts ta nga comfortable ha, dili ka nagmaong. Now, if you look at here for the curl up, na siya murag line dire ha. So dili na siya curl up na ordinary curl up. It is dynamic, so it means na ni siya instruction on how to do it sa module katong ganiha, and then you have to write the score here pila ang yung nabuhat. So by the way ha, dili mo mag-search picture sa internet, kinahanglan kamoy nagbuhat ana. Okay? And then the last is we have here the push up. Again, insert. Sorry. So insert picture, then asan yun na save. Okay. And push up. Okay, so ana. Ingana rin siya ka. So yun. Okay, so and then you have to write the score pila ang imuhang nabuhat for the push-up. So for the push-up, you have to do it properly. Again, if you insert picture, make sure nga klaro siya, or you have to see to it said nga you're performing it correctly. Then, kaning what have you learned na siya sa module, you just have to write your answer. Then for activity number 3, copy and answer. So you have to copy and answer the question. Now, pwede ra sad kani, naka-picture, screenshot naman ni no. So pwede ra sad ninyo, you write here, for example, question set 1. Pwede ra sa diri ninyo direct, okay? Question set 1. So number 1. So the question is, what is physical activity? Okay. And then you start answering. So sa may physical activity, blah, blah, blah. Then sunod, question number 2, so on and so forth. Okay, so pwede ra sa din ninyo gamiton ang kanisiya na MS Word para dali na lang. And then you have to save. Then we have here exercise challenge. So kani for activity number 4, so you have to come out, you have to make a 1 to 2 minute video exercise. Okay, so you can perform together with your family members, or if you want to do it alone, again, you have to wear proper exercise attire, jogging pants, mag-shoes mo, or kanang comfortable, dili ta magmaong. Okay, then submit the video, include the video, submit sa Google Classroom. Then we have here activity number 5. There's a link here for you to have an idea about barriers to physical activity. Okay, aside from the modules, na siya additional kanang link for you to search. Then you answer the given activities here for the personal barriers, and for the activity number 6, you have to identify each activity if it's environment barrier ba or personal. So you have to write it there, and then you save. Okay, so once you save, you submit that sa Google Classroom gihapon, because dito gihapon i-check sa inyong PE teacher ang inyong what's this? Inyong activity sheet. So, kung sa'yo nasa activity sheet, maura dyan ninyong buhaton, kay maura ni i-check sa inyong teacher for your written and performance of your module number 1. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If you have some questions, you can ask your PE teacher. So that's it, and have a great day.